Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. So for today, I'm going to show you how to make this fudgy brownies. Trust me, this is a very great and a delicious dessert. Let's get started. These are the list of ingredients I'll be using for this recipe. Okay, so the first step is to melt your chocolate and butter. So I'm using the double boiler method. You place a mixing bowl on top of a boiling water and then you add your chocolate and butter. Stir until everything is melted. Once it's melted, set it aside and allow it to cool. The next step is to sift your dry ingredients. So you sift your flour, your cocoa powder, and the salt. Add your sugar. So I'm using brown sugar and white sugar and mix everything together. The next step is to add your 3 eggs into your chocolate and add the vanilla. Once everything is added, beat it and then add it to your dry ingredient. Mix everything together until it's well combined. So with this recipe, you can replace the butter with oil, but I think the butter is the best because it gives it a lot of flavor. So I went ahead and added half of my chocolate chips to my mixture. Once the mixture is ready, you get your baking pan and then line up with a parchment paper and then put in your mixture. Make sure to spread it on all the sides so that it can have the same level. Once you're done, you sprinkle your chocolate chips on top of the brownies and then bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Whilst you're doing this, make sure to preheat your oven to 255 degrees. If you don't have the chocolate chips, you can replace it with the semi-sweet chocolate chunks. You just cut them into pieces. Okay, so after 25 minutes our brownies is ready. Allow it to cool for about 3 to 5 minutes and then remove it. Be gentle with it because it's very soft. You get hot water with your knife and then you slice your brownies. The water is going to help you have a clean cut. So once you slice, you dip your knife into the hot water and then you wipe with a tissue or a paper towel. At this point, you can slice it any way you want, into small cubes or into bars. So I'm just slicing them into bars. Alright, so I'm done slicing and then that's our brownies. It's ready and then it's very moist. Oh my god, the chocolate and everything was so good. It was very delicious. Look at how it is. This is a fudgy brownie indeed. Okay, so if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and then don't forget to subscribe and then click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload, you will be the first to watch. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more recipes. Bye bye.